Hello, welcome to today's video. Bubs is out here playing on the tables. That's not safe. But we have all the succulents from school sitting there, and he's gotten into the dirt. Gotta fix one of them, but you know, it's not a huge deal. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna be hanging out at home, doing some work around the house. I think we're gonna try to get our garden planted. And I want to finally do those things with the grapes that I've been talking about, but let's see what we get into.
I love you. Oh, it's bad, Mom. What? No, but maybe we asked for you to be here. Oh, no. No. No, thank you.
Well, and this stuff's sugar-free, so it's technically not that bad for you. You had so much fun on the tractor.
Look at that tractor.
Yeah, the tractor.
All muddy.
Can you go over there? I don't want to sprinkle this on you. Figured add some nutrients, because why not? spot right here.
I think so.
You want this on the outside or the inside?
Doesn't really matter.
You're going all the way out here.
I think we might have enough. Between the sand and the topsoil, that actually turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
You didn't help me get my shirt back.
You're welcome. This one has pretty good carrot growing. Look at that.
Here. You want in? Right here, brother.
Alright, well, it's nearly 7 p.m. and I've got to close that. Give me a second. We're just hanging out inside, winding down. I'm pretty tired. Did a lot of work in the garden just now. But yeah. We're gonna need more space than we anticipated, I think, because we still have cucumbers and a bunch of melons to plant. But for tonight, we're gonna call that good, because we gotta wake up at like, well, I gotta wake up at like 4. We're leaving at like 4:45 to go to the Tri-Cities, which is like 5 hours away from here. My brother's like being induced or something. Inducted, I don't know. He's becoming a cop, that's all I know. I wanted to clean out Cody's car, but I'm just exhausted. I might go clean the trash out real quick, make sure there's nothing at our feet. But I mean, I was gonna like take everything out, vacuum it, make it look really nice, but I think I'll do that a different day. But yeah, did pretty good. I'm about to go put the fruits earlier that we these things, I'm about to go put these in plastic bags, but I wanted to try it for you to see how it is. All I did was add lemon juice, rolled it around, and then added lime jello. I'm not sure if that's what you're supposed to do, but that's what I did. So anyway, let's try it. I think I saw it on different social media apps, but I don't know. Pretty much just tastes like normal frozen fruit, but I don't know, I chose lime because I like lemon lime stuff. So this one looks like it has a good amount on it. Not really getting any hints of the lime though. It kind of just tastes like the frozen fruit. Maybe I didn't do it well enough. But anyway, we got pizza in the oven, so I'm gonna go in and deal with that. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a great day, everybody.